Let's get you started with our Job Tracker and Job Match AI tool. Before saving any new jobs, it is worth assigning the resume or CV from your readability tool that is most relevant to the jobs you will be adding, so that you can use our Job Match AI feature. To do this, head to the readability page, click Job Match AI below the resume or CV you want to use, and select Active. It is best to use just one resume or CV for the Job Match tool, so be sure to unassign any that you don't want to use, then head back to the Job Tracker to get started. To begin, click the Add a Job button. Then copy and paste the job title, description, and company name from the online job advert, along with the page URL of where you sourced the listing. If you want to get a personalized review of your compatibility for the role before you apply, click the Job Match AI box before you hit save. It can take a couple of minutes to get your Job Match AI results. You can continue to use the job tracker during this time, and you will receive a pop-up notification when your review is ready. If you don't need a job match review, perhaps because you are adding a job you've already applied for, just leave the box unchecked. Once added, all jobs are initially saved to your shortlist. If you've already applied or are at interview stage, simply drag the job to the relevant column. Depending on which stage your job is at, you'll notice a different button appear below the job title on the tracker board. These correspond to different personalized recommendations for each stage of your job hunting journey. Firstly, if you've opted for a job match review before you press apply, for any jobs in the shortlist column, you'll see a button to access your results. The Job Match AI feature is your virtual career advisor, highlighting job opportunities that match your skills and experience. Next up are the applied and interview stages. When you have applied to a job, or been invited for interview, click the AI Insights button to view personalized content specific to that stage, such as follow-up email templates and sample interview questions. Lastly, when you've got a job offer, you'll be able to access some guidance on what to do next. When you want to access the full job description, simply click on the job title. From here you can use the Edit button to make changes or add additional details such as the job type, workplace type, salary, and location. Alternatively, click Delete to remove the job from your tracking tool. Our AI tool will automatically extract the skills and keywords from the description, making it easy for you to tailor your application or to pinpoint gaps in your skill set. We've also made it simple to add reminders or book appointments in your calendar via the quick access buttons below the job description. Finally, you can write notes in the comments box to ensure you keep all important details in one place, such as research you've done or key contacts you've identified. That's it. We hope our job tracker and AI features can provide you with the support you need at each stage, but perhaps most importantly, allow you to focus on quality over quantity when it comes to applying for jobs. If you have any questions, please reach out to the team via the live chat button on your dashboard.